In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix failed to load Onlinefix64.dll from the list error code 126. So in case you are getting this error over here while trying to, for example, launch a game from Steam, here's how you can fix this easily. So let me close this down over here and open up Steam. Now, the first thing you want to try and do is you go to Steam and then you go to Library up here. And then you want to look for the game that caused this issue. So for example, let's say Once Human was the game that didn't want to work for me and I got that error. What you want to do is right click it and then go to Properties. And in here under Installed Files, you just want to go over here and press Verify Integrity of Game Files. Now, what this will do is it will essentially verify integrity of your game files. It will check for some missing files, for some damaged files, and after that replace them. And this will only take a few seconds up to a few minutes, depending on how many bad files you may have. Now, after this has happened, what you want to do is try launching the game and seeing if that worked. If it still didn't work, I recommend you come back and do this yet again. So click on this and then wait for it to load. However, do not launch the game again. So before then launching the game, what you want to do is you essentially want to open up your antivirus on your computer, because there may be a file inside that game that your antivirus might be flagging as a virus, even though it is actually not, because it's just a part of the game, but it looks similar to what viruses could look like, so it flags it as a virus. So I have Avast, as you can see over here, but for different antiviruses, it may be a bit different. So once you've pulled up your antivirus, simply you want to play the game, so you want to launch the game, and once it launches, if you still get that error, what you want to do is go inside your antivirus and then into protection or whatever you may have, and then you want to find quarantine. Now, when you click on quarantine, over here, you should see your Onlinefix64.dll file, and what you want to do is just essentially mark it and then restore it, or just simply tell the antivirus it is not a threat and you are sure of it. So you can do this in here, usually inside the quarantine. So what you then want to do, once you restored it, you just want to close down this, so you just want to close down your antivirus and then try pressing play on the game again, and after that it should be working. If it's still not working, make sure you verify integrity of the game files again, which will reinstall that file, and then before you click play, you can try just turning off antivirus, so just turn it off, press play, wait for the game to load, and then turn on your antivirus again. So this is kind of an alternative, however not a long-term fix. Now in the long term, you should be allowing your antivirus to actually use that file and not see it as a threat to your computer. Now, if none of this worked, instead of verifying game files via here, what you want to do is essentially reinstall the game, because this will definitely reinstall that file. So just go over here to this kind of gear icon, and then Properties, Manage, and inside Manage, you want to press Uninstall and uninstall the game, reinstall it again, and then once you do that, you will have to pay attention to your antivirus. So once you reinstall the game, just click play, go to antivirus, so put that file out of quarantine, and you should be good to go, and your game should be working normally. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.